Welcome to the Seasons Leadership Patreon community. I'm Debbie Collard.
And I'm Susan Ireland.
We are certified leadership coaches and co-founders of Seasons Leadership.
And our mission is to transform the world one leader at a time. Debbie and I both worked at a large aerospace corporation, the Boeing Company. Each of us have over 30 years of experience there, and we had success at leading teams and delivering results.
And, we benefited from a ton of formal leadership training at different levels. And this was sponsored by the company, but it was based on our levels within the organization at the time.
Yeah, or our roles, which I really appreciate. I appreciated it. I mean, I really benefited so much from the training that I got and the support I got there. But, it was my training was paced by the company and the company's goals and what they wanted, of course. And so this is one of the reasons why Debbie and I started Seasons Leadership, because we think it's important for people to be in charge of their own career and their own training.
Yeah, absolutely. And who is any company to say that you don't need a particular training until you're at a certain level? And we believe, Susan and I, that everybody is a leader to somebody. Somebody is watching you, somebody's seeing how you do what you do. And if you can do that better and therefore influence them sooner because you had access to learnings and information and tips, then how much better is that be? We all have the capacity to learn and grow. So don't wait around for some organization to say, oh, now you are qualified to take this training. No matter how good the training is, you need it when you need it.
Right. I think we know everybody has so much potential. And so what we want to do is provide those opportunities and those insights to take advantage of that potential. That's the reason why Debbie and I started Seasons Leadership, because we've experienced bad leaders, mediocre leaders, leaders who are trying the best they can, but they don't have the tools or the resources that they need.
Yeah, so absolutely.
Right. That's why we're here. We want to make a positive difference in the how people show up as a leader.
And one way you can do that is by joining our Seasons Leadership Patreon community. When you do that, you're helping us change the world one leader at a time. And you're also fulfilling your unique purpose. What are your strengths and what are you bringing to the organizations and communities in which you live and work? So we invite you to get on there. Start exploring the tiers that we offer, and you'll see what will come through for you is that at the heart, we're looking to build this community. We really believe in values-based leadership. And so we want to build a community of values-based leaders that can weather the seasons and whatever gets thrown at them and grow to new heights.
And by linking personal and professional growth, you'll find purpose as your leader, as a leader. And we believe that we have the tools and resources that will help you be the best that you can be. So join us today.
Join us. Yay. Join us. Come on, be part of the community in positive leadership change. We hope to see you there.